Hey guys, it's TFG here, and today I'm going to be bringing you the new BPL Team of the Season pack opening. Yeah, I'm hoping for someone good. I really want one of these new blue cards. This will be pretty neat. That'll be pretty nice. Alright, let's start with our first pack. And yeah, I'm gonna spend about 133k on packs. So maybe I'll have enough if they bring out a 100k pack or something. Alright, so let's see what we can get. Come on. Show me Team of the Season. Come on. Ah. It's alright, that's our first pack. Not too bad. We got Rolf. Let's just quick sell that. Just want to get on with the packs. Joe Hart. Come on, who are we gonna get? Team of the Season. Come on here, please. Come on. Good card. Maybe if we watch the whole thing, we'll have some good luck. I don't know. Come on. I'm never really that lucky in packs, but hopefully this is the moment of truth. Oh, not this one. This wasn't the pack. This wasn't the good one. We got Rondon. Not really too sure who he is, but guess we can send that to Trade Pal. And let's get on to our next pack. Come on. Come on. Who are we gonna get? Who are we gonna get? Come on. Oh, it's messy. This should be good. Let's skip it. See what we can get. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh. Kameni. Tiffert. Never even heard of that guy. Kenny for Leeds. Oh, we got 2,000 coins. Not too bad, I guess. Just means more packs. But we'll quick sell that. Come on, EA. We want some good players. I really want a Team of the Season card. Please. Come on. Oh, come on. Benzema, bring me some good luck. We'll just skip that. Come on. Oh. The wrong Chelsea player. May as well just quick sell that. Oh, the Chelsea player we want is a Team of the Season. Check, Hazard. I don't even mind. Just anybody, please. Come on, Messi. Come on. Bring me luck. Come on, come on, come on. Damn. Oh, Gomez. Quick sell that. Oh, come on. I mean, within the first 5 minutes of these Team of the Seasons coming out, hundreds of people had already got them. I just want to be a person that manages to get a Team of the Season in a pack. And whilst doing a video, that would be pretty cool, I guess. But no, instead we got Aronica, and I swear we've already had this guy. Ze Eduardo. Yeah, I swear we've already had him in this pack opening. But, you know, got another 2,000 coins. Let's just quick sell that. really want one of these players. Come on. Next pack, come on. Come on here. Be nice. Be nice, come on. Show me Bale. Show me Van Persie. Show me De Gea, sorry. Show me Zabaleta. Show me Carrick. Show me Benteke. Just show me someone off the bench. Frickin' hell. Still no sign of the blue cards. Come on. Come on, we want these players. We want them. We want EA. You just need to be nice and give me some luck. I mean, I don't know what I can do. Right, Oxlade-Chamberlain. You're from the BPL, and you will bring me a BPL team of the season, please. I beg you. Come on. Come on, I'm going to skip it. But come on, come on. Blue card, blue card. Oh, Jesus. 57 pace. It's embarrassing. Maxwell. Wow, look at that tash. Oh, well. Just going to quick sell that. Come on, come on. We need a team of the season player. Yeah, okay, so I'm just gonna spend up to about another 80k on these packs, guys. So, oh, no team of the season again, what a surprise. Yeah, I'm just gonna spend my next 82k on these packs. I'm just gonna leave myself 100k just in case to bring out a 100k pack. I think that'd be a nice vid for you guys. Oh, come on. Please, anyone, just someone off the bench. I don't even care. Just any blue card, any type of blue card. Seems really hard to get. I mean, what is it with all these people getting team of the seasons? I want one. They're all probably selling for so much right now, and it'd be nice if I got team of the season to build a team around, maybe, or something. Do a bit of a squad builder with one. Oh, come on. Packs. Open some more packs. Premium gold pack. Would you like to buy this pack? Yes, I would. Come on. Skip. We want blue. But instead we don't even get a regular player. Wow. Wow. Silver player in a gold pack. Jesus. Quick sell, 999 coins. Why not? Come on. Show me Bale, Van Persie, De Gea, Suarez, Check. De Gea's not even in it. Oh my god, why did I even say that? I suppose a lot of people have been talking about rumours of team of the season, and someone put it in my head that De Gea was going to be in it, and now I keep thinking he is, but instead it's Check, so I suppose Check's even better, but you know. Come on, blue card. No! An 80 right mid with 81 pace. He's actually got really good stats, but I've never actually heard of him in my life. Is he new to FIFA? Oh, we got a free gold pack. Might be holding Van Persie team of the season. It could be, guys. We just don't know it yet. Oh, come on. Let's go to the store and open this gold pack. Look at that. I mean, let's just have a look at these. Just these free cards. Van Persie, he's got 96 shot. Bale, 93 shot. Wow. Gerrard, 91 shot. I mean, come on, I just want one of them. Please. I mean, I'm not really expecting much from this pack, as you only actually get one rare in it, so yeah. I'm not expecting much from it, but hey. Oh well, so we actually did get a rare gold player. To say we only get one rare in this pack, but he was crap. Gargano. Seriously? Oh, God. Come on. Yeah, I'm being nice. Don't make me get on my knees and beg for team of the season as much as I want to. Let's just make sure there's no special packs. No, I'm not planning on buying one of them. Crap. Joe Hart, right. Okay. You, my friend, you need to bring me good fortune. Bring me a player from the team of the season. The BPL team of the season. Okay? I don't mind which one. Seriously, do not care which team of the season player you give me. As long as you give me one. Okay? Please, EA. I beg for you. I beg. Please. No. No. Are you being serious? Jose Enrique. Why could you have not been in team of the season? Because if you were, then I'd be loaded. I'd have hundreds of thousands of coins, and I would love you for the rest of my life. Monreal, jeez. Jose Enrique, why? Please, just, I don't even know if you sell for anything, I'm sending you to my trade pile. Just tell me why. What modifier did we get? Well, I don't even know if they're any good or not. Well, we got fitness squad. Yeah, bit of fitness. It's alright, I guess. You know, I'm just gonna. I don't even know if they sell. No, they don't. They don't sell for anything, do they? Let's just be honest. Just quick sell. Come on, guys. I was brought a BPL player. He just wasn't blue. I think Joe Hart got a bit confused there. But he's back. It's alright. Bring me blue. Please. I beg of you. Bring me a blue card. Damn it! No. Are you being serious? No! No. Why? 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 Please just tell me why. Oh my god, why? Why, please? Literally about, 40 minutes ago, Javi Martinez left team of the season, as did the rest of it, and it became a BPL team of the season. And Javi Martinez was in team of the season, and he went for quite a lot of money, and I've just got him, and he's not blue, obviously, because he's not team of the season anymore, and I'm not happy. This guy looks like a beast. Get in my trade pile. Javi Martinez, Jesus. Why? Okay, why? Come on, mate, speed up with these packs, come on. Quick. Packs. Messi, come on, I love you, Messi, come on. Messi. Even if you just gave me Messi, it doesn't have to be team of the season. Messi, Ronaldo, you know, something like that. Wow. we were doing a Bundesliga team of the season, this might have been alright. Which I do believe they will be bringing out. I'm not too sure yet, but come on, we need packs. Come on, quick sell, come on. Don't care about crews. Packs. Joe Hart, come on, show me blue, please. I ask nicely. Please. No! Is he the guy that just... Wow. Tell me he's not the guy that was just in the team of the previous team of the season. I think he might have been as well. Why? Why, EA, do you do this to me? I would like a team of the season card that's just come out. Come on, look, Joe Hart again. I mean, you can't ask for anything more. You can't ask for better than that. Come on. Skip. Come on. Team of the season. Please. No. Damn it. Why? Why has this been the biggest fail of a pack opening ever? Please. You know what? It's not over yet. Marquisio. You know what to do. You know what to do. And with the help of EA, you will bring me blue card. Damn it! Fernando. Wow. Please. Oh, I just want a good card. Marquisio again. Please. Bring me one of those beautiful cards. Beautiful. Please. No. Why? Matic. Oh my god, why? Maybe we'll put that in our trade pile because that might sell for something. I don't know. Oh, come on. I mean, we've only got 24k left for this pack opening. I mean, wow. I spent over 100k on packs. My best player is Tony Cruz. I think, yeah. Tony Cruz. Oh, why? Thiago Carletta. Who is he? I don't even know why I'm putting him in the trade pile. He might sell for something, I don't know. Come on. Wow. You know what? We need... Okay, Oxlade-Chamberlain. Marquisio. Oxlade-Chamberlain. Marquisio. Okay, it's just going to stay the same. I see what's going on here. Premium gold pack. Please. Just a good player. Come on. No! Vla. Why couldn't you have been team of the season? Or what about you? Yanga Mbiwa. 57 pace. Seriously. 57 shots. Get quick sold. Why? You know, it's alright. We're going to be doing another pack opening soon anyway, hopefully. This is just the first of many more to come. I mean, wow. Come on! 3 plays from the BPL and none of them are team of the season plays. God, look at his pace. Says it all. get out of my just get out. Oh, this is the last pack. Guys, I mean, this is it. The pack opening is going to be over after this last pack. Messi, please, please, come on. Please. I'm not asking for much, I'm just asking for a blue team of the season card. BPL team of the season. I don't even care which one I get. Please, just one of them. Please. Come on. Not asking for much, but you've got me on my knees and now I'm begging you. Damn it! No! No! Sinclair. Why do you do this to me? Wow. It's the best thing out. That's the most expensive thing we've received in this pack opening. And it's still worth about 5k. Well, okay guys. Looks like this has been the first pack opening and it's over. We're gonna have more to come though, so don't worry. Just keep watching, keep looking out for new videos, subscribe, like, comment, share, do whatever you can to just get our channel out there and our videos. Alright, so okay guys, this has been TFG and this was the BPL team of the season pack opening. And goodbye.